Did you know that the health of your gut can have a major impact on your mood, focus, and even mental health? It turns out that the gut and the brain are more closely connected than we ever imagined. Scientists are learning that what goes into your digestive system might actually affect your mental well-being. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the gut-brain connection. I'll share how your gut could be influencing your mood, anxiety, and overall mental clarity, and what you can do to improve both your gut and your brain health. Let's start by talking about the gut-brain axis. This is a communication network between your gut and your brain. They're constantly sending signals back and forth, and it turns out that the state of your gut can have a huge impact on the way that you think and feel. The gut is often called the second brain because it contains millions of neurons and produces many of the same neurotransmitters as your brain, including serotonin, a key player in regulating mood. Around 90% of the body's serotonin is actually produced in the gut, which means your gut health can have a big impact on how much of this feel-good chemical is available in your system. When your gut is out of balance, say due to poor diet, stress, or illness, it can lead to lower levels of serotonin, potentially affecting your mood and even contributing to issues like anxiety and depression. But it's not just serotonin. The gut also communicates with the brain through the vagus nerve, which acts as a direct line of connecting your digestive system to your central nervous system. When your gut bacteria are healthy and diverse, they produce short-chain fatty acids and other compounds that help reduce inflammation, support brain health, and even influence your stress response. Now let's talk about how gut health directly impacts conditions like anxiety and depression. There are lots of emerging research suggesting that people with anxiety and depression often have imbalances in their gut microbiome, which is the community of bacteria living in the digestive system. These imbalances can lead to inflammation, which in turn can affect the brain and can make anxiety and depression even worse. One way to think about it is that your gut bacteria can help regulate inflammation in your body. When the balance of good and bad bacteria is disrupted, it can trigger an immune response that increases inflammation, and chronic inflammation is known to be a contributing factor to many mental health disorders. So by taking care of your gut, you may be able to help reduce inflammation and improve your mental health. Probiotics and prebiotics have been shown to play a role here. Probiotics are live bacteria that help restore the balance to your gut microbiome, where probiotics are fibers that feed the good bacteria. Studies have found that certain strains of probiotics like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Adding probiotic-rich foods like kefir, yogurt, and fermented vegetables, as well as prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, and bananas, could be a natural way to support both your gut and your mental health. So, how can you support this gut-brain connection through your diet? The key is to eat foods that nourish both your brain and your gut. A diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, healthy fats, and a wide variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can make a huge difference. Eating a diverse diet that includes fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and nuts and seeds each week helps support a healthy gut microbiome. The more diverse your diet, the more diverse your gut bacteria will be. Omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like salmon, flaxseed, and walnuts are particularly important for brain health. They help reduce inflammation and support the structure of brain cells. And what's interesting is that omega-3s also help maintain a healthy gut barrier, which keeps harmful substances from entering your bloodstream and affecting your brain. So, including fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi is also very beneficial. These foods contain probiotics that can support your gut and mental health. Polyphenols, which are antioxidants found in foods like berries, dark chocolate, and green tea, also play a role. These compounds have been shown to support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and have anti-inflammatory effects that can benefit the brain. Including these foods into your diet is a great way to support both your gut and your mental health. We can't talk about gut and brain health without touching on stress. Stress has a major impact on the gut, often worsening symptoms of digestive issues and negatively affecting the gut microbiome. When you are stressed, your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone, which can lead to changes in your gut bacteria, slow down digestion, and even increase gut permeability, sometimes called leaky gut. The vagus nerve, which is a part of the gut-brain axis, plays a role in your relaxation response. Activities like deep breathing, meditation, and yoga stimulate the vagus nerve and help reduce stress, which can have a positive impact on your gut. When you manage stress effectively, you're supporting both your gut health and your mental health. Practicing stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even a nature walk can help keep stress levels down and support a healthier gut-brain connection. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine can strengthen the communication between your gut and brain. Simple practices like taking a few minutes to breathe deeply, going for a walk, or even practicing mindfulness while eating can keep your stress levels down and support a healthier gut-brain connection. Another surprising link between gut health and mental well-being is how it affects your cognitive function, including memory and focus. Research is beginning to show that an imbalanced gut microbiome can contribute to cognitive issues and maybe even linked to conditions like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The gut microbiome produces short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs, as a byproduct of fiber fermentation, and these SCFAs are thought to play a role in supporting brain health. SCFAs help reduce inflammation in the brain, improve integrity of the blood-brain barrier, and even support the growth of brain cells. By eating a diet rich in fiber, you are helping your gut produce these beneficial compounds that can support your memory and focus and overall cognitive function. Some studies have also looked at how psychobiotics, a term used to describe probiotics that have a beneficial effect on your mood and cognition, could play a role in enhancing cognitive function. Although more research is needed in humans, these early findings are very promising, showing that maintaining a healthy gut could potentially benefit both your mood and your ability to think clearly. Now that we understand how closely connected our gut and brain are, let's talk about some practical ways to improve your gut-brain health. First, aim to eat a diverse diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. The more diverse your diet, the more diverse your gut bacteria will be, which is key for a healthy gut microbiome. Incorporate fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, as these contain beneficial probiotics that can support both gut and mental health. Managing stress is also crucial. Practicing stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or even going for a nature walk can help reduce stress levels and support a healthy gut-brain connection. Exercise regularly, as physical activity has been shown to positively impact the gut microbiome and improve mental health. It doesn't have to be intense. Even a daily 30-minute walk can make all the difference. Avoid ultra-processed foods as much as possible, since processed foods can harm the balance of your gut bacteria and contribute to inflammation. Stick to whole, nutrient-dense foods for optimal gut and brain health. Finally, prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is essential for good gut health because it allows your body to rest, repair, and maintain a balanced microbiome. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and establish a consistent sleep schedule to support your gut-brain connection. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out these two. That's it for today. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep thriving. Till next time.